So it's cutting the vegetables. Oh wow.
Yep. And it's dispensing the correct vegetables in there. And each burger is about 27 seconds. And then this is our sauce machine. So after it dispenses the sauces and the vegetables will then go to our packaging station.
Wow. I like the idea that there's no humans breathing on your food. Or sneezing or...
Look, it's about to dispense the sauces.
This is cool.
And give me like 30 seconds.
Okay.
Then it's now gonna neatly close the box,
Crazy.
pushes it down, and then it grabs one of our fry boxes. So the fries were prepared in the kitchen. Oh, fries.
Oh, fried. It is fried. You are
I
right.
have to grab
I
one.
thought it's something that's done later.
So if I don't grab this out, then the burger will stop.
You are right. આજે બંને લઈને જ જતા જોયું. ના મેં મૂકી દીધેલું સરસ બંધ કરે જ જો. So amazing. Yeah, those are fries. Yeah. એટલે પેલામાં ઓર્ડરમાં નહીં જોઈતી હોય એટલે
We'll see if this hamburger is any good. Now the burger is actually really good. It's like a barbecued. What would you say the burger's got? Like a flame broiled taste. It's actually really good. Very good. If you enjoy our content, the best way to support us is to become a member or buy something from the shop. Thank you all for watching and all your support. Have a wonderful, beautiful day.